How to sign out of Spotify on all devices. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome and search Spotify Web. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. In Spotify Web, scroll all the way down till you find Login to Spotify option. Click on it and log into your account. Then click on Account Overview after you've logged into your account. Then click on three lines on top right corner of your screen. In here, you'll find Account. Click on Account. Scroll all the way down till you find Sign Out Everywhere option. Click on it, then click on Sign Out Everywhere again, and you'll be signed out everywhere from this account. That's how you sign out of Spotify on all devices. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I'm Sophia signing off. Until next time.